coach of Nigeria's Super Eagles, Eguavoen, has invited 23 players for the African Cup of Nations qualifier against Benin Republic and Rwanda. Among the players listed for the game is Galatasaray star striker Victor Osimhen, who was absent in the last game against Libya due to injury. He returned from injury and bagged a goal in Galatasaray's 3-0 win away at Antalyaspor in the Turkish Super League on October 19th. Also returning to the Super Eagles team after a while out is Real Squad's Umar Sadi. The games against Benin and Rwanda will mark the last round of qualifiers for the AFCON in Morocco next year. Match Day 5 clash with Benin Republic at the Stade Felix Houphouët-Boigny on November 14th will kick off at 8 p.m. Nigerian time, while the Match Day 6 encounter with Rwanda will take place at the Godswill Akpabio Stadium, Uyo, on November 18th. With 2 matches remaining, Nigeria tops the Group D of the qualifiers with 10 points after CAF awarded Nigeria 3 goals and 3 points for the abandoned match against Libya. The Eagles refused to play the game after being struck in a remote Libyan airport for half a day before the match. As reported by NaijaNews TV, the players and officials were stranded for hours at the Libyan airport and denied access to food and the internet as they prepared to honor their 2025 African Cup of Nations AFCON qualifier with the Mediterranean Knights. It took diplomatic efforts and social media call-outs for the team to be cleared to finally leave Libya. Stay tuned for more real-time updates, exclusive videos, and sports news from NaijaNews TV.